Guys, I'm going to do a PRP treatment today. The blood is spinning.
Yeah, so we actually we separated the platelet-rich portion of your blood, and this is where the growth factors are. And so this portion, wherever we put these growth factors, it's going to help stimulate new collagen, new skin. When I inject it below, I'll actually help stimulate new bone, new muscle, and better, healthier fat layers. And so basically, wherever you put the growth factors helps stimulate.
Do you recommend to do this like all the time, or one treatment is enough?
I mean, in Europe, you know, we're talking monthly treatments. You know, that's usually maintenance for at least four to 6 times. Sometimes they do it bi-monthly too. It just depends on where you are. You know how important healthy aging is in that region, right? Stops bleeding.
How cool is that?
Just to keep it moist at night.
Sleep usually.
And does it work?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have to take it out every
Now you're just marking where you're going to inject, right? She is amazing.
Most people cannot.
I love it.
Oh my god, look at your face though, how it's like
I
lifted,
see.
right? But see, this is the muscle that I said that if we inject a little bit, we can, you know.
I don't feel much. If I will rate this, I will say maybe 3, 4.
And this will all, like, you know, it's swelling right now.